I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I'm going to use the engine hoist to help drag it out of here too. Because everything in the shop is so heavy, I'm going to hook up the hoist. I'll show you how I'd go about doing that. Yeah, this may look easy, but you got to remember, this is me after 20 years of practice. There's a long, hard road. Now, if the anvil doesn't pull off the top of the stump, I'll be all set. Looks like it might try. I'll just have to see how it goes. If it does, no big deal. Goes right back on easy enough. Now the anvil weighs 114 pounds. It's not what it's marked, but it lost the top steel plate. So it weighs a little bit less than the markings on the side. But you add on that stump, you got quite a bit of weight there. Now, drive around, set it in the tractor shed. Well, I have to admit, forklift would be quite a bit easier. But I don't own a forklift. And this is a darn sight better than hauling it in by hand. Well, considering I was getting tired just climbing on and off the tractor, this worked pretty well. Well, considering I was getting tired just climbing on and off the tractor, this worked pretty well. There, inside, sitting on the ground, pretty good. I want to raise that up just a little bit, put a couple of pieces of wood underneath it, get it up off that damp ground. That walnut stump sat in somebody's workshop for a good 50 years. Only it was about this high and had one little bitty vise bolted to the top of it. When I bought the contents of the shed it was in, I had no idea just what I was getting. This thing is big. The log was huge, and I was able to cut it off with a 2-man crosscut. With Lydia's help. Not bad. Okay, now to bring out the forge. But I think I'm gonna take a break, get something to drink, relax a little bit.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.